Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, consider subscribing to the subscribe button and turn the notification icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. On the norms, I was supposed to post the video yesterday, which is Monday, but something came up, so I have to struggle today to do this video. So without any further ado, we'll be starting this video. Of course, this design you are seeing on the thumbnail, that's what we'll be creating. So let's start. This is our photo editor. That's what I used to do the picture grading and all that. So this is it, and I will start from here. Okay, so I will go and check my background. This is the background I used. I will be very fast with this. Of course, this is not hard. If you have been following my videos, you will be able to know this. This is 36. Okay, let's leave it like this. This is cool. So the next thing to do is I want to none. Okay, I want to click on draw. I want to draw this thing so that this thing will just want to give it a little bit draw, and this is cool. So the next thing again is to bring in the two images. Let's bring in the images we used here. Open from here. Of course, these images I downloaded them from Pinterest. That's where you will go and you will see a very nice resources. So I will import this thing now. It's taking time, but I have to wait. We have to wait. Please, if this is your first time seeing this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video to your friends too. Let's get this channel up to 1,000 followers as soon as possible. So this is it, and I will go to my okay, let me open from here and see what we have here. Okay, this is it, and we are good to go with this. Crop this thing this way, crop this one this way, then flip it this side, and this is cool. Then the next thing is to click on this thing. Now this thing will come up. This is exposure. You increase this exposure so that this thing will be very sharp, just like this. This is cool. You are seeing it. This is very cool. So the next thing is to click on this A button here, click on S again, then this thing will come out. Click on blush and bring this thing to the front this way, then you clean. But before then, let's increase this brush height so that you clean this thing very well. This is cool. So you see, this is okay. So the next thing here is to bring in another image, which is this one from point 100 pins. Okay, let's bring in this BTC stuff here, and this is okay. So we want to clean this thing just the way we will do the other one. Okay, click on brush, bring this thing to the front and green here, clean it this way, clean here, and this is cool. So you see what we've gotten, and click send this thing to the back by dragging this up, and this thing goes like that. So the next thing is to click on this, click on blend mode, click on overlay. Okay, this thing will go inside with the same background color. That's cool. And click on this picture now, click on here, click on effects too, then come over here and blend this color, then click on color. You can tap from here tap this place now. Okay, you can click. This is reddish, and let's see. Let's reduce this to this. We just want to bring this to the background, and this is cool. So that's it. So the next thing is to click on effect also. Okay, that's cool. So that's it for this one. So the next thing is, let's import another distance here. Let's check for this, and let's see. Let's check our Pixellab and see if we have it. Okay, look at it here. Look at image. This is a PNG, and we'll just reduce this to this, and this is cool. Reduce this to this, and this is cool. So that's just it for this. Then another thing is to bring in this shape, add it. Okay, this is cool. We added this thing, shadow. Then click on this blue stuff here and increase this round. This is how to get the round, but we just want the down part, which is this. Keep this thing like this. Give this thing color, this fill. Click on this one. Click on this. Okay. Let's select again. Pick here. This is okay. This is gradient. So that's it. This is how I got that. You are seeing we've been able to create this beautiful. So let's select this picture and work on this one that is at the back, which is by reducing this. So this is cool. So I'm through with this photo editor now. So the next thing is to click on this, then go and sharpen everything this way. Just increase everything. You see how sharp this thing is now. This is very, very sharp now. Click OK. So that's it. This is the only place that is hard. So once you go to Pixellab now, it will be very, very easy. I will just show you how I placed the text. I've saved this thing to my gallery now, and I will just go and open my Pixellab. This is my Pixellab, and boom, this is it. The thing is already here. I've placed it already. Just open this thing. You see how everything was placed. Just this way. There is no much thing here. You see, this is cool. This is the phone number. This is the main text here, and this one too. I think we need to unhide something here, okay, which is this. So that's it. This is how I created this. It's very, very simple. Look at it. This is how I place this. This is a sign, degree. This is a degree symbol I used. That's cool. And this, if you look at this thing now, you see I use my guideline to set this thing. Everything is on a straight line, and is light alignment. Everything was aligned to the light side. You understand? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. If you find this video interesting, do well to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and see you next time in my next video.